tell me, do
Hey y'all, it is Kilo. Welcome to Kilo. This is, if you're new to the channel, please do me a favor, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your post notes so you know that I've arrived. This is actually a haul. I actually got the DJI the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 recently in February, and I don't think I've used it once, and that was my prior video, but I also got like some accessories to go with it. I didn't really do I didn't really do an unboxing of the thing because honestly the camera is going around. But I do have some accessories that go to it and come with it. One of them is the mic and the magnet. I thought I didn't get the magnet. And funny story, I was cleaning my room and I asked my daughter, could she pick up the big pieces because my back was hurting. I asked her to pick up the pieces and I forgot that I took out some things out of the bag. At least I thought I took all the things out of the bag. So I said, hey, daughter, pick up the big pieces, put my camera bag on the chair because it fell off the table. And she said, okay, mommy. And she goes, the girl pick up everything off the floor and dump my bag. This bag here, this is the DJI bag that it comes in. Dump this bag in the trash. When I tell you, she was about to be grinding for a whole 2 months. Because clearly these kids know what they're doing. I mean, I was 38 hot, baby. I thought she took my bag and she dumped it. But this is the bag. I actually think I want a bigger one, like a bigger bag, because all the things that I don't want to lose that goes along with the camera, I don't want to lose it. So I don't have enough room because I have like all the pieces that go along with it, and I think that it's time for a bigger bag. But this is the bag. I got some of the accessories in it. I think I'm gonna list some of them into the screen, but this is one of them, and I kid you not, I don't know what none of these pieces mean. I know the one that is on right now is the charger bank for it, and I guess this also is the piece that goes like another piece that is for like the attachment to the tripod, which it does come with a small tripod, which I think is so cute. Y'all can see it. I don't know if that's dust, whatever. Yeah, the girl threw my thing all over it. I had to clean it out, and that's just dust, whatever. But this is, due to back spasms, I had to go to the emergency room, hence why you see the hospital band. This is the tripod to it. Also, now, fun fact, when I was looking for the stuff after I got the bag out the thing, had to disinfect it and all that good crap or whatever, I thought the magnet didn't come. I thought they didn't bring it in there. And the wide lens, come to find out, the wide lens and the magnet was in this, like, if y'all can see, when I stick my hand right here, it's a compartment that holds the things real tight. This wide lens, can y'all see it? I don't know. It's moving. Don't move. This wide lens is in, this is it. I gotta clean it. Anyway, that wide lens was in there as well. Also, I went on the clock app and I got some accessories to go with it. I thought I lost it because, first of all, that clock app, not no shade, I appreciate y'all, but y'all take too long to send stuff. It shouldn't take that long. The third party vendors take too long to send stuff. My bad, the clock app. I didn't mean to do that to you. Now this is the light that goes on it when we go in, and say if I take this camera out into the do like a vlog or whatever. This it's brighter. I don't know why it's not focusing or whatever, but this is the light. I think there you go. Yeah, this is the light. It's a newer light. I got some photography lights from newer. So this is a newer light. And this is the piece that it holds on to, and it adjusts. It has 3 different parts of the magnet. There's one part, and on each side is the other part. So say if I had the camera this way, it will connect like that. So this is pretty cool. This came from the TikTok shop, whatever. All right, turn that off, please. And then The next thing I got, this is with a car. Now, originally, I do have a we call it like the car holder for the phone, but it's like the piece where it doesn't adjust properly or you can't move it, whatever. But I got this. I haven't taken it out the box yet. This. Can y'all see it? Alright, it's a sun visor camera holder for the car. So it is for you can use it for your phone or you can use it for the DJI or whatever. You will have to put it upside down. So let's look at that. So here's some of the pieces. I never knew what this was for. I'm gonna have to really figure this one out. I'm gonna have to really read instructions. Okay, so let's see this. Again, y'all, I'm sorry if I'm seeing the little rush. I am on a time crunch. I'm trying to make sure my phone does not ring while I'm doing this. So bear with me. Okay, so I think this is the part that goes in here. Yep, I'm assuming so. I probably can never tell you what this is, but this is the part, and I think this is where like I don't know. I have to hook it up in the car and y'all see it, but yeah, this is the big piece. Let's look at the big piece. This is the big piece that holds the clamp it or whatever. It goes in the sun visor. So definitely gonna do that. Definitely gonna check this out. To do like some car vlogs and stuff like that. Another thing I got, and I'm not so sure if it is worthy. I'm not sure. Anyway, it's this magnet. It says magnetic expansion frame for Pocket 3. So if I'm like doing something in the kitchen or whatever, because I used to have 2 magnets hold my phone. So this right here is like a magnet to where, like, if I'm cooking or something like that this will hold it or whatever. This should hold it. Now, granted, I am like dumb scared to put this over. Y'all can see it. I'm trying to get y'all closer to it. Why is you falling me? I should have turned the thing off. I'm not sure. I don't have time. Oh, look, y'all, pot paper. Yeah, so this is what this is. It's called Fly Mile magnetic expansion frame or whatever. I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna be using it a lot more, so I also need to get some more SD cards. So there's that. Now, I didn't mean to order this accidentally. I thought that I had took this off, but I didn't. Don't fall because I feel like cleaning up. I got this tripod. It's an AI face tracking quadrupod gimbal. It's basically it's like how my camera is moving right now. It's like that, and it's an intelligent thing or whatever. The box has been beat up, that's for sure, because I've been moving around. Oh, I'm moving around a lot of stuff or whatever. Okay, great. All right, so let's see how you look, because I this is my first time opening it. I didn't want to open it because I didn't want to have to find something else to put this in, but I'm just gonna go and get me a cheap bag and put everything in, so when it's time to like stick my hand in it, I know where it's at. I actually have a bag. I just gotta go through my closet. Alright, first of all, it feels sturdy. I ain't gonna hold you. This joint feels mad sturdy. Let's see. It feels sturdy. Look at how big and thick the tree. Anyway, let's see. Okay. I don't know how this works. This is the Bluetooth. Oh, okay. This is the Bluetooth remote. I can't get it out. How do you get it out? Okay, this is the Bluetooth remote. So if I guess you know how you use it to take pictures and stuff like that, or it follows you. And I guess I have to charge it. It does have a wire. It does have the thing where you can take the pictures and all the rigmarole. Let's see. Hey, why y'all looking? Why you following me? Anyway, here's the instructions. We're just buying these instructions is mad wrong, and if all of them like this, then we got an issue. What is I was about to have a straight up mad, but here's the instructions. I have to look that up. Am I doing that today now? Wait, come back down here. Thank you. That's pretty cool. And then here's the charger to it. Now, first of all, something this big charges with something this little. This is certified stupid. Alright. We got that. Okay, and then I also got this. I got two of them. I didn't mean to, but I got these car mount holders as well, and it comes with the two things to keep it from getting sticky or whatever. This is it. I unboxed it and tried to use it, but I got nervous and didn't want the cops to see it or whatever. So, and again, you should stick it to the window if you want to stick it to the window, but I don't really want to do that. So I can probably stick it to like if I'm recording two things, I can have the Osmo Pocket and like my phone to record whatever. You know what I really want is the thing for like when you're recording but you don't want it in the camera. I think you can use it to put it like where your go into gear, where your gear stick is. It's something I saw it on someone's Instagram, and the person ain't never hit me back up, and I never knew what to call it. So here's the second one. This one's a bit more bigger. This is the suction cup mount for camera. It's the same thing. It's by BRDRC. I guess it's like a third-party vendor for the clock app. This one looks pretty big. Okay, so it has compartments. Let's see what this is. I think it's just the holder for the DJI. So, okay. That's the holder. Let's see. They got this little bag here. I don't know why it's not focusing up for you if y'all can't. And then again, I don't have my glasses on, so I'm going to always be squinting and thinking y'all can't see, but it's just me. Let's see. Okay, so this is another one of those little things with the you got the screw in to tighten it up or whatever. Don't know what that is still. And then the mount itself. So the mount, this is the actual holder for the mount. This for the phone, for the DJI. It's not for the phone. It's for the DJI. So I mean, it's so big, low key. Okay. All right. So you want to have those intimate conversations in the car. Got it. Most of this is for the car, and one of them is actually, I think, is for my bathroom. So you can use it for the bathroom, like for the mirror and stuff like that. I can at least try, or I can put up like a theme or whatever. Either way it go, I'm gonna make it do what it do. But that's pretty much it. I hope, yeah. Make sure my Michael. That's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna put use to the things that I have gotten and try to make more content. I just have to really prioritize my time and don't worry about, you know, if y'all hear somebody in the background, I can mute them out or I can mute the thing. I just hate muting them and I'm talking to you as I'm doing like a cooking video or something of the sort. But yeah, but comment, share, subscribe, turn on your post notes, and you know that I've arrived.